Hey everybody, last big transition and welcome to circular motion. These last three modules can be the hardest for some students. Now, there are also some students who think they're the easiest. We're going to be spending these 3 weeks basically starting the semester over and going through everything again just in the realm of circular motion. So we're going to talk about things that are moving in circles, in curves, going around corners, things like spinning a ball on a string, things like that. So we're going to cover circular motion. So velocity, acceleration, things like that. We're going to cover forces. We're going to cover energy, and we're going to cover momentum all over again. It's just now they're all going to be moving in that curved path. Okay? So in this module, this week, you're going to cover a lot. You're going to learn about how objects are accelerating all the time. Since they aren't moving in straight lines anymore, their velocity's always changing. It's not constant. And as we learned way back in an earlier module, a changing velocity means there's an acceleration. You're going to hear words like centripetal. You're going to read about a fake force that a lot of people think is a real force, but it isn't. It's that centrifugal force. Okay, well, it sort of is if and only if you change your perspective, but we're not going to get into that in this class, and don't worry about it. It's a fake force, and you're going to read about how it's a fake force because we're dealing in our inertial reference frames. Again, fancy phrase you don't need to worry about. And finally, you're also going to learn a little bit about universal gravitation and planetary and satellite motion. So again, our satellites and our planets are moving in curves around other objects, so that's why they fall into this one. And so we throw in that universal gravitation, gravity anywhere, and we've been dealing with it on Earth, and so we can simplify it here on Earth. But now what we're going to do is we're going to take it to the big things, and so we can't do those simplifications anymore of just mg being the force. You're going to learn about a different force, universal gravitation, and how it applies. So hey everybody, it's a lot this week, but I hope you have fun. You're going to learn a lot, and we'll just keep going on.